Google Docs, images strategy number 5, the put it in a table. So this one's a little involved. Here I am in my document, and I want to put a picture along with some text, and I want to kind of make it look nice. Sometimes wrap text doesn't work very well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find a place that's a good break in my paper that I'm writing. So I'm going to put some returns in here. I'm going to make sure that my cursor is against the left side margin, so I'm going to backspace. And I'm going to insert a table. I'm going to move up just another line here. I'm going to insert a table. So if I go to table and I go to insert table, I'm going to insert a 2-cell table. So I'm going to drag on this until it's a 2x1 table. So there's my table. I'm going to copy and paste this paragraph. So actually I'm going to cut. I'm going to do Command or Control X, and I'm going to place my cursor in here and then do Control V to paste. And I'm going to put my picture in this table, or this cell of the table, I should say. So let me pick a good picture here. This looks like a square type picture. So we'll drag and put that in there. I'm going to make sure I click on the picture. I'm going to center that picture up. Now, because this is a square picture, I've got some empty space here. So let's resize this table a little bit. I'm going to place my cursor on the center line. I'm going to move this over so that my text gets a little more room to breathe. Or maybe I kind of play with this so that the text and the picture size kind of match up. I can readjust my picture. I can readjust the table, and so I can kind of set it like that. Now I want to move my other paragraphs up, and I'm going to move this table up by clicking before it, hitting the backspace. So there I've got a table, but that table looks kind of odd in my document. So here's a trick. If you do a 2-finger tap anywhere in the table, within the table, and you go to table properties, you can turn the line of the table to 0. So here's table border, 0. Hit OK. So now looks kind of nice, right? It looks a little bit more like a paper that has a nice image off to the side. So you can put the image in a table and then turn the border to 0. That's another strategy you can use for inserting pictures in your Google Doc. Done.